After watching the entire process of manufacturing LED bulbs, I finally understand why we can become the world's largest exporter of lighting LED bulbs. Today, I'll show you how this factory with only a dozen employees manages to produce billions of LED lights every day. This factory is located in Henan Province, China, which serves as a production base for precision electronic products with very strict requirements. Workers must wear anti-static clothing to enter the production workshop. Before that, they will first test the light-emitting crystals by applying electricity. Since the crystals are arranged too tightly to be easily handled, workers place a film with crystals on the workbench of the expanding machine to stretch and extend it, widening the gaps between them. Next, the worker removes the outer packaging of the LED bead holders and neatly arranges them inside the die bonding machine. Then, the robotic arm on the machine attaches the crystals to the holders at a speed of 200 times per second. Under computer control, this bonding efficiency is unmatched by manual work and is completely error-free. However, simple adhesion is not enough to secure them. They need to be placed in an oven, where heat and pressure are applied to accelerate the adhesion of the crystal and the frame, forming a solid bond. After a long 30-minute wait, the LED bulb's main structure finally appears before us. Next, we move on to the wire bonding stage. Here, a worker uses this wire bonding machine, worth tens of millions, to weld a gold wire that's only 10 micrometers onto the crystal. You might not have a concept of what 10 micrometers is. Generally, a human hair is about 0.1 millimeters thick, and this gold wire is only 1/10 the size of a hair. Its purpose is to connect the two electrodes of the crystal into one unit. To ensure nothing goes wrong, the welded gold wire needs to be inspected manually. This process can only be done under an electron microscope. Meanwhile, another worker isn't idle either. He's in charge of preparing the phosphor powder. He carefully weighs and measures the different powder ingredients before putting them into the centrifuge for thorough mixing. Once the mixing is complete, the fluorescent solution can be poured into this syringe-like container. After securing all the LED chips, the nozzle beneath the machine will evenly dispense the solution onto each LED unit. So, anyone know what the purpose of this fluorescent powder is? You can explain to everyone in the comments section. To speed up the curing of the phosphorescent solution, all the LED lights will be placed in a thermal cycling oven for a period of time. However, we're not done yet. Next, we need to do the potting and encapsulation. Workers will mix a special oxygenated structural adhesive and then use these larger needles to apply it. This layer of adhesive provides excellent protection for the LEDs. It also has outstanding heat dissipation, rapidly dispersing the heat generated during the LED's lighting process. Since these formulas are highly confidential, I know you do not like watching, so I watched it for you. After the packaged LED reaches the heat equipment, the glue quickly solidifies, ensuring the final product's quality. Next, the workers will carefully inspect the LED bulbs, removing those with appearance defects or glue issues. This step is usually handled by the meticulous ladies in the factory. Afterwards, the LED bulbs enter this all-in-one chamfering and testing machine for power-on inspection, to ensure that each bulb can emit different colors of light as required. The bulbs that pass the test are then cut into individual pieces, which is exactly how we see them on the market. Now these LED beads can be packaged and shipped to customers around the world. The production of a beautiful LED light is coming to an end. You really have to admire the workers' remarkable creativity and superb craftsmanship. If you've watched the video to this point, a like is greatly appreciated as a sign of encouragement. The artisans work hard, waking up early and staying late, and creating their work is truly not easy. I believe that if you've seen this far, you will not hesitate to give a like. Thank you very much. So, how much do you think this LED light should sell for? Feel free to leave a comment below. That is the end of this video. Love you all, Mua!